Good morning from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Malaysia. That's right, your man here is going for a wee cinema as usual with his new, yes, his new amazing t-shirt. Special thank you to my mommy, of course, for sponsoring this t-shirt so that your man can become more handsome, so that he can go more outing. And watch out for the wee motorcycle. So that, yeah, as usual, I go this early morning during Ramadan, only one thing, cinema. Wait, I did say that just now. Why am I saying it again? So yeah, I have no plans right after the cinema. I was supposed to buy ticket before 12 p.m. But yeah, I buy a bit early. I didn't realize there's a showtime at my time, 11:30. Then what I'm watching? 25 at NU Central. Oh my freak. And there's a wee bus there. Welcome. So yeah, I bought the ticket before I even saw the My Town. So it's alright, guys. It's alright. Everything's alright. So I suppose I just go home right after that, and then I have to go out again. Yep, I have to go out again right after the cinema, guys. And who left their jacket here? Where are the owner? So yeah, the bus is on the way, like around 5 minutes. So yeah, I can't wait too early. I know. I came too early. Why am I watching today? You will find out later on the video, guys. You will later find out. It is known as Iron Lung, directed by Markiplier. Yeah, if you know Markiplier, then you know. If you don't, then you don't. So only a gamer know who he is. Yeah, it is what it is. And also a YouTuber. So as a person who, yeah, let me be honest with you. I haven't even finished the game. And all my friends, wait, what time now is? Oh, it's 8:55 for the bus to arrive. Should I ride that one? Wait, guess what? You know what? Let's just ride that bus. Let's just ride that bus. Bang, saya mau naik bus, bang. Yeah, why bother change many times where you can change only one time? We arrived safe and sound, 9:15, a good time. Yeah, 10-20 minutes only to here with the legendary bus 580. So yeah, I still have like 1 hour to do. Like travel time here only like 30 minutes. Well, let's just get on with it, I suppose. Yeah. Yeah, right at the beautiful masjid here, the Masjid Jami Sultan Abdul Samad, Kuala Lumpur. And also the iconic building here, Kuala Lumpur. And then we're gonna berbuka puasa over there, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I don't know. I think it's over there. Oh, I'm speechless. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. Got a beautiful mosque here, I see. Masjid Jami Sultan Abdul Samad. Yeah, people who always solat Jumaat here. Yeah, it's always crowded here, guys. So better go early. So yeah, do I love my current life at the moment? Yes, I love my current life at the moment. Plus I can manage my time. So yeah, that's one pros about my current workplace. What is the cons? Less salary. That is all. I guess I sit down first. Yeah, chilling here first, guys. Oh my lord, that was so torturous. Now I have to go back later on out. What the Well, let's see what his response. Afternoon, boss. Apa gila datang sini? Tak ada kerja. Aduh, dah ada tu. Memang dah siap buat kafe. Okay. What's next step? Apa langkah seterusnya? Oh, jangan tak pula.
So now we at Bazar Pantai Dalam.
Mana jangan keluar. Duduk tepi ni. Kita vendor. We ada vendor. Oh,
Banyak juga option.
do all day.
But basically kita akan cari makanan lah untuk berbuka. Sebab masing-masing ada request nak nasi kukus, nasi kerabu. Tapi
Benar. Dengar-dengar dulu lah.
kita review sikit lah.
Yes, Syah. Oh, kamu Syuk? Ada idea? Aku macam dah nampak dah. Aku dah nampak aku dengan lauk.
Boleh lah.
Boleh, boleh. Okay lah, harga RM7.
Dia okey. Boleh lah.
So kau nak ni, ambil terus ni
Nak jalan dulu lah?
Pusing dulu aku.
Tengok dulu.
Ha. Ni dah dessert lah kan, panggil. Sana pun ada lagi oh. Ni sate. Ada nasi belauk. Apa ni? Oh, cucuk udang. Ni ikan bakar. Sate. Yang pecik. Ya, banyak lagi. Memang besar. Besar tempat dia Syuk. Oh, cendol bai. Apa dia? Nasi lemak. Nasi kerabu. Cuba cari pusing-pusing. Should be ada lah at least satu. Ni air. Dia nampak aku vlog, apa lagi singgah. Apa lagi jerat lah. Kenapa kau tenitori? Aduh. Nari.
Kita mencari nasi kerabu tapi tak jumpa. Sorry Anwar.
Tak jumpa nasi kerabu.
Jika ada kita tolong berikan lah. Kalau tak ada tu makan apa yang ada ya.
Kau nak beli apa? Macam mana untuk dia?
Jala. Dulu ada apa?
Ni lah pusing-pusing dulu lah kan. Rasa boleh buat kurusan.
Cuaca cerah.
Ya. Kuih meh. Ah tu nasi kerabu berlauk. Ni Syuk. Nasi kerabu berlauk. Ah, ada satu lah. Ada satu tu option. Apa nasi campur. Apa tapi ni? Kuih muih, donat. Kuih. Ada air. Apa ni meleleh? Oh, set western. Oh, roti john, yes. Nasi kukus. Banyak pot nasi kukus. Nasi kerabu ada ni? Ada dua. Ni nasi kerabu. Okey lah. Harga macam 78. Okay. Oh, standard lah harga. Yeah, we do one full spin guys. One full spin just for all of this. If I miss then yeah, there are a lot of nasi kerabu here. We also have pak gebuk. Yes. We got sushi, we got putu piring. Oh, my favorite putu piring.
Mana putu piring?
Tu? Putu piring.
Bulan puasa.
Sama-sama, memang macam keimanan. Kelaparan yang tak dijangka.
Barang kecil ya. Belum kau.
Aduh. Kat business. Business card. You want buy mattress? Find me. Yes ya. Apa ni? Nasi dendeng. Aku nampak macam sesuatu menarik ni. Oh, boleh. okey lah tu. Dari saya?
Beli nasi yang
Oh, kau dah. Itu satu tu lah, depan tu.
Anwar punya kerabu yang tadi. Nasi bomo ni.
Aku cari ada dapur aku. Aku ambil itu depan tu. Yang ni.
Kami ni, nasi
Ni apa? Ayam
ayam
Berapa satu?
RM6.
RM6. Boleh bagi satu.
Kamu nama nak minta.
Apa beza ni? Ni apa beza?
Kurang pedas, merah pedas.
Oh, ni kurang pedas. Bagi kurang pedas.
Merah pedas lah. Selamat.
Cash boleh ya terima?
Boleh.
Boleh ya. Okey.
Agak banting agak ukur minyak dagang rapu kat ukur minyak dagang rapu kat.
Tak nak kukus kot.
Oh,
So biarlah lain-lain variation sikit.
lain-lain ya. Boy. Okey.
Mana nak kerabu kan?
Ha.
Bantu sikit. Sebab ni kawan punya. Abang tu dia dulu lah. Senang. Yang satu tak tu dia pun tak apa. Penting sikit ada. Bang, malam betul ke bang? Ni server down malam Malam lah yang malam.
Roy.
Oh ya.
Dia tak pun 6.5.
Nanti kata mahal. Betul. Betul W. Tu boleh. Tempat tadi yang tu tadi.
Tai.
Tai. Senang nak. Berapa? 8 16. Alright. Alright dah.
Terima kasih.
Okey, so Tina dengan
Kau makan apa? Oh, sana. Okay, let's go. Berapa lagi aku nak add on? Mana tadi? Depan Ni samosa. Oh, yang depan ni nasi kerabu. Ha.
macam mana bang? Tiga RM5. Satu bang. Satu. Jadi kuah dia kan?
Oh, ni kan.
Apa? Ada kuah dia.
Ada dah kuah sekali ya.
Terima kasih. Last air. Ni pun nak kata apa, kita kesukakan masa. Kesukakan masa apa tu, cari pot. Tempat je Let's go. Woo. Sakan kau. Motor kau tu depan kan?
Depan lagi.
Depan lagi. Jap. Tu lah depan lagi. Kau dah alihkan motor kau? Oh, depan Mau depan kan? Ha.
Ibu lupa